Success is not a destination. It's a journey paved with determination, resilience, and the courage to take one step at a time. Behind every triumph, there lies a compelling story of hardship, persistence, and the unwavering belief that the journey, no matter how arduous, is worth every stride. Allow me to share with you an extraordinary tale, one that encapsulates the essence of fueling success one step at a time. In the heart of a small town, there lived a young woman named Amelia. Her dreams were as vast as the open sky, yet the shackles of circumstance held her captive. Growing up in modest surroundings, she faced challenges that seemed insurmountable. The odds were stacked against her, but deep within, a fire burned, a fire fueled by the audacity to dream beyond her circumstances. Amelia's journey began when she stumbled upon a tattered pair of running shoes at a local thrift store. The sight of those worn-out shoes ignited a spark within her, an inexplicable yearning to break free from the limitations that bound her. She decided to take up running, not just as a form of exercise, but as a metaphor for her pursuit of success. The initial days were brutal. The town's whispers echoed in her ears, casting doubt on her ambitions. Yet, with each step, she silenced the skeptics and drowned out the noise of disbelief. Amelia's determination became a beacon of hope, not just for herself, but for everyone who witnessed her journey. The path to success is rarely linear, and Amelia's story is no exception. She faced setbacks that would have shattered even the most resilient spirits. Injuries, financial struggles, and moments of self-doubt threatened to extinguish the flame that fueled her dreams. However, every fall only strengthened her resolve to rise again, each time with a fiercer determination to prove that success is not reserved for the privileged few, but is a reward earned through tenacity. Thus reflect. As Amelia continued her journey, the town that once doubted her transformed into a gallery of admiration. People began to see her not just as a runner, but as a symbol of what could be achieved with unwavering dedication. Amelia's story resonated with those who felt trapped by circumstance, inspiring them to lace up their own shoes and start their journey toward a brighter future. Fueling success one step at a time is not just about the physical act of moving forward, it's about the mindset that accompanies each step. Amelia's story teaches us that success is not measured solely by the finish line, but by the courage to start, the resilience to continue, and the determination to overcome every obstacle in the way. In her quest for success, Amelia discovered the power of consistency. Day after day, she laced up her shoes and faced the world with a steadfast resolve. The small, consistent steps she took became the building blocks of her success. It wasn't about running marathons overnight. It was about the commitment to progress, no matter how incremental. Amelia's journey also highlighted the importance of a support system. As she faced challenges, she found solace in the encouragement of those who believed in her. Friends, family, and even strangers became pillars of strength, reminding her that success is not a solitary endeavor, but a collective triumph. Fueling success one step at a time demands self-compassion. Amelia learned to celebrate not just the grand milestones, but also the small victories along the way. Every step, every challenge overcome, became a testament to her growth and resilience. Success, she realized, is not a sprint, but a marathon of self-discovery and personal development. In conclusion, Amelia's remarkable journey teaches us that success is not an elusive destination, but a path we forge with grit and determination. No matter where you start, what challenges you face, or how slow your progress may seem, remember that every step is a victory in itself. Fuel your success with the belief that each stride takes you closer to the life you envision. Embrace the journey, Celebrate the small wins and keep moving forward, one step at a time.